So now you can see that we have these three lines. The one is RL right hand side, one is center line, and one is LS left hand side. So for this we will create three different type of group, and we will put RL in one group, right hand side group, and this one will be put this R line in center line, and this one will be include into the left hand side. So let's start. First we will create group. From here go to the point group, right click, click on new. So once you click on new, we can provide it center line, and after center line you can just select from here style like benchmark, and from here we can just select elevation, so it will be little bit different, and from here you can just do with raw description, and here you can just enter CL. We have the description CL, apply, and okay. Now you can see that it's added to the center line groups. Okay, so from here you can see the different. Okay, if you click on this and go to the edit, so from here you can see all your center line points is available in the center line group. So I will just create a group for the left hand side. Just go right click on point group and click, and next you can just give to right side, and from here you will just change like a drill hole, and from here you can just elevation and description, and from here you can just enter here you can just enter like RL and press enter and click OK. Now you can see that all your right hand side points is added to the right hand side group. You can just check it from here. All RL point is available in this right hand side group. So the last one is remaining left hand side. If you want to go to a point group, right click, new group, and here you can just provide left side, and go to here and select any other iron pin, and from here you can just select easting and northing, and you can just include here, click on this with raw description. Whatever you have this option available, you can use this. So I am just using this description, so we will enter LS because our description is LS for all points. So click apply and OK. Now you can see we have three type of points. One is RL, CL, and LS left hand side, and here I create three groups: left hand side, right hand side, center line. So for each you can just go to the property, you can change the style for each one, you can just show the any type of label, only point you can show, any type you can just show it for here. For each type, this is the left hand side, you can change the point style from here. Whatever you want you can easily change from here. So as per your requirement you can do all these things. And here we have other option, include and exclude. So if you want to exclude any point, any kind of points, you can just easily give this exclude names or matching things, then you can just exclude it. Okay, so here you have point list, here you have summary. So all kind of these settings you can do, draw description matching, and here you have point groups. So we have here this type of group: center line, right hand side, and left hand side. So all this group we can change it and manage it. So as per our requirement, now we have three different type of groups. In any group, if you want to do any editing, or we want to export or do any edit log or changing any description or update, we can easily do it. So this is for this purpose. If you have different type of points like existing or designing and you want to separate, you need to just create from here groups, and you can just separate it by yourself. So I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.